Hi guys! So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a bullet journal spread in my bullet journal, but I'm going to do it with a twist. So I'm not going to pick a color to pretty much make that whole page. I'm going to pick it out of a bag, and whichever color I pick, that's going to be the whole theme of the spread. So let's get to the video. Okay, so now I'm going to pick the color that I'm going to be using for my whole bullet journal page. So I have the brown bag with all of my Tombow brush pen markers in it. I'm just going to give it a quick shake, and now I'm going to pick out the bag. I got orange. So I'm going to pretty much be making my whole spread orange, and I'm going to use orange washi tapes, orange stickers, this orange marker, but I'm going to be using probably a black pen because I don't think I have an orange pen, but I have to see. Okay, so the supplies that you'll need for this bullet journal spread is the Tombow dual brush pen orange marker, the orange mild liner highlighter, and a black pen. You could also use some stickers. This is called So Many Planner Stickers. There's a bunch of planner stickers that you could put in your bullet journal or any notebook you have. So these are optional, you don't need them, but they will make your bullet journal look very cute. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need, and let's start making the bullet journal. Okay, so now we're gonna begin the bullet journal spread. I'm thinking we're gonna do a weekend vibe spread and pretty much everything that I'm gonna do in the weekend. Especially since when you're seeing this, it's going to be Saturday, but the next day, Sunday, is also Valentine's Day, so I'm super excited for that too. Okay, so I'm all ready to begin. I'm on a clean page in my bullet journal, and now I'm just going to start off with my header. So this is the marker that I'm going to be using first, and with this marker, I'm just going to be writing weekend, and then with the black or with the orange, I am gonna write vibes at the bottom. Okay, so I'm starting off with my header, and I'm just gonna write weekend in calligraphy, but it might look like cursive. So, yeah. So I'm doing it nice and slow, so I don't mess up. I hope that looks good. So if you can see in the camera, that's how it looks. The camera is looking okay. It looks floral kind of, but it's okay. So next I'm thinking I go in with my black pen and write vibes over here. It's going to be like this on the left and this on the right. And I'm also going to write this in a scripty handwriting. Just going to write vibes. So this is how the header looks. To spice it up a little bit, I might do a black outline. So let's see. Okay, so that black outline made it look so much better. This is how it looks. And I was thinking about highlighting the vibes, but I decided not to because I think that'll be too much. So next I'm going to pretty much organize it. I'm just going to be saying the 13th and the 14th because that is Saturday and Sunday's date. So I'm going to measure it with a ruler, and I'm going to make rectangles, and then the date is going to be on the left. Okay, so I have my wooden ruler here, and I'm probably going to make it the size of the page. So I'm just going to get my black pen and start off pretty much right under the vibes. a straight line. Okay, so I'm kind of struggling here. It's a little straight, but it'll work for now. And I'm not gonna make it super big because I need two, one for Saturday, one for Sunday. So I just want to make sure that there's enough space for each of them. So that's how big I'm going, and then I'm just going to end off with another straight line. One and then I'm finished, and I'm just gonna start designing that first box for Saturday. Okay, so this is how the first box looks. Now to make it look more orange, since this page is supposed to be orange themed, I am going to get my eyeliner and my black pen. And first I'm going to write the date, which is going to be the 13th, in black pen. And once the pen dries, I am going to use my orange eyeliner and highlight it. So then I'm now going to just write the number 13, since tomorrow is the 13th. Right there. Okay, okay, like that. And then I'm going to write Saturday. So it is Saturday on the top. So this keeps it very organized, and I could also use some of my planner stickers while I'm doing that. And of course, it will be orange. So now I'm using my eyeliner orange highlighter, and I am going to highlight the Saturday part in orange to give it a pop of color. Okay, so I highlighted it in orange, and now I'm going to get my Tombow brush pen, and I'm pretty much going to make lines for myself to write on. So I'm going to get the thin part of it, and I'm going to make lines. So these lines are pretty much going to be according to like how much space I have in that box. And I want to make sure it gives me enough room to write. Okay, so I'm all done with this spread, but the final touch is going to be stickers. So this is my sticker book. It's called So Many Planner Stickers. Okay, so here's a closer look at the final bullet journal spread. As you can see, I have two boxes for Saturday and Sunday that are highlighted, the dates, some really cute stickers, a header, and don't mind that some lines were uneven, but that's okay because it's your bullet journal. And yeah, this is how the final product turned out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. I could definitely give you some more bullet journal ideas. And like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of my videos. Bye!